Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to knit this beautiful cable pattern for you. This pattern you can knit on gents sweater, ladies sweater, cardigan or on any project. For this pattern, cast on multiple of 11 stitches and add 5 extra stitches. For this pattern, cable is knitted on 8 stitches and 3 stitches gap. For tutorial, cast on 11 plus 5 16 stitches, row 1 right side, skip edge stitch, yarn in front, purl 3, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 2, yarn in back, knit 2, yarn in front, purl 2, then knit 1, purl 3, knit edge stitch. Row 2 wrong side, skip edge stitch, yarn in back, knit 3, yarn in front, purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yarn in back, knit 3, purl edge stitch. Row 3 right side, knit as row 1, skip edge stitch, yarn in front, purl 3, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 2, yarn in back, knit 2, then purl 2, knit 1, and then purl 3, knit edge stitch. Row 4 wrong side, knit as row 2, skip edge stitch, yarn in back, knit 3, yarn in front, purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yarn in back, knit 3, purl edge stitch. Row 5, knit as row 1, row 5 and 7 knit as row 1, and row 6 and 8 knit as row 2, 8 rows knitted, row 9 right side, skip edge stitch, yarn in front, purl 3, yarn in back. Now we will make cable. Total 8 stitches. We will skip 4 stitches to another needle and keep it in front. Now we will knit these 4 stitches first. Knit 1, yarn in front, purl 2, yarn in back, knit 1. Now pass these 4 stitches to left needle. Knit 1, yarn in front, purl 2, knit 1. Yarn in front, purl 3, knit edge stitch. Wrong side, knitter's row 2, skip edge stitch, yarn in back, knit 3, yarn in front, purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yarn in back, knit 3, yarn in front, purl edge stitch. This is 10 rows pattern. Repeat these 10 rows again. Now knitter's row 1, skip edge stitch, purl 3, yarn in back, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, purl 3, knit edge stitch. Wrong side, knitter's row 2, skip edge stitch, yarn in back, knit 3, yarn in front, purl 8, yarn in back, knit 3, purl edge stitch. Total 8 rows knitted. Now right side, knitter's row 9, skip edge stitch, yarn in front, purl 3, yarn in back. Now we will knit cable. Skip 4 stitches to another needle. Keep in front. Knit these 4 stitches. Knit 1, yarn in front, purl 2, yarn in back, knit 1, transfer these stitches to the left side needle, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 2, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 3, knit edge stitch. Wrong side, knit as row 10, skip edge stitch, knit 3, yarn in front, purl 8, knit 3, purl edge stitch. This is 10 rows repeat pattern. Repeat these 10 rows again and again. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon for the notification. Thank you. Bye bye.